Today is March 1st, and I'll be training weighted abs every day for 30 days.
I've been skipping abs for over a year, and even after dieting, my abs look weak and underdeveloped. This could even be impacting you. A recent study showed that gym bros and broads skip abs 60% of the time every time.
That doesn't make sense.
So I'm on a mission to end this buffoonery. Day after day for an entire month, I took my abs to Pound Town. And if there's anything I learned on my journey, it's that having Greek god abs doesn't come without pain. Is it possible that abs aren't really made in the kitchen, but actually the gym? After just 30 days, my results were actually insane. Last test before we start, we got the wife punch test. Give me your best shot.
You ready?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
My weighted abs workouts will consist of 1 to 3 circuits a day consisting of several challenging weighted ab exercises. I'll be stealing weighted ab moves from the guys with the best abs in the world, and I'm not allowed to skip a day no matter how sore my abs get.
So you're probably wondering what I will be eating to get Greek god abs, and the answer lies in these bags. So I follow what I like to call the Superhuman diet, and it's high protein. So I like to switch off between like eating a lot of salmon, eating a lot of grass-fed steaks, always have organic eggs in the diet, and most importantly, we just hit those macros.
Spellcasters, weighted cocoons, rope crunches. Training weighted abs is seriously no joke.
Looking like a Greek god is a choice, a very painful choice.
I woke up today and my abs are more sore than an overworked donkey. We have 29 days left of this insanity. On day 2, I did a new ab exercise I really liked, and this absolutely lit up my entire core. This one I will definitely be adding into my routine going forward. It's 5 a.m. Becoming a Greek god waits for no one. We just finished the day 3 ab workout before I even left for the gym for my main workout. I feel like David Goggins right now.
Who's one more to carry the boats?
And while I struggle to keep up with the fatigue of annihilating my abs every day, as well as training my entire body,
I am absolutely wrecked. My entire abs, so sore. My whole body's sore. I just took a 2-hour nap on a Monday. My life.
I was determined to train weighted abs every day because I wanted to honor my idol, the man that got me into the fitness industry, the man with the best abs I had ever seen, the man that gave me the inspiration to start my own fitness company, and the man that tragically passed away. You would not be watching today's video if it wasn't for Greg Plitt. I wanted to look like him, but more importantly, inspire people like he inspired me. His abs were absolutely ridiculous, and what I remember from watching so many of his training videos is he really focused on training weighted abs. I believe that your abs are a representation of all the choices that we make, how we eat, how we train, and how disciplined we are. And on top of that, your abs have got to be one of the top 3 most important muscle groups for just how good you look shirtless, maybe even number 1. Despite traveling for work, forced to eat delicious food, and even having a few adult cocktails for the first time in ages.
Happy anniversary.
Lakers Nation, stand up. We eating good tonight. That's a W. We're gonna eat W's.
Yo, that's a good video.
Wow.
I stayed committed, and day after day, took my abs to Pound Town. I woke up on day 11 and actually saw a tiny bit of progress, but still a long way to go. Why did I pick this challenge? So I went to the grocery store to stock up on some low-calorie foods to really get these abs to pop and bring up more definition. Another week of taking my abs straight to Pound Town, I was starting to see better and better results. Despite still being around 15% body fat, my abs, well, they were definitely starting to pop. And I knew if I kept on training them and cleaning up my diet, I would have one amazing 30-day abs transformation, regardless of how exhausting this challenge was. We are officially halfway through the challenge, and I'm not gonna lie, my abs are screaming at me every single morning, but it's supposed to be hard. If it wasn't hard, everyone would do it. After training my abs at 6 a.m. and feeling depleted, my body was craving carbs. I'm also following Dr. Mike Israetel's carb cycling diet in conjunction with this abs challenge, which allowed me to binge on pasta and eat 450 grams of carbs today. Hopefully all these carbs don't mess up my final results. After over 2 weeks of abs every day, I was really starting to get in a rhythm and actually look forward to training my abs every day. I became so obsessed with having a chiseled 6-pack, or maybe even an 8-pack, I was pretty much ignoring the pain that I was enduring each day.
I can actually feel the abs brewing.
After training weighted abs now over 3 weeks straight, I certainly have a few favorites. First off, weighted cocoons that I got from Greg Plitt. I do a few variations of these and always get an incredible ab pump. Russian twists, of course. Kettlebell single arm crunch, weighted decline crunches, Swiss ball weighted crunches, weighted rope crunches, and these little around the world hanging knee raises.
Did you know how many abs that you have is genetic? Some people have an 8-pack, maybe even a 10 or 12-pack. I've seen it. Some people have a 6-pack. Some people only have a 4-pack, and some people have like a 1-pack. You cannot change your muscle belly insertions and how they look when they're developed. But what you can do is you can actually build your 4, 6, 8, 12, or 1-pack and have those abs popping through your skin.
Now you're probably wondering how training my abs every day has impacted my other lifts. While I do feel stronger and less likely to get an injured lower back on lifts like the squat and deadlift, I feel the biggest benefit is to my pull strength. You see, your core is involved in so many moves to stabilize your body. You might just find that training your abs more increases your strength everywhere. It was day 29, a lazy weekend day with March Madness and my disappointing Phoenix Suns on all day. But to me, it was just another day of training weighted abs. I kinda got an idea today. Since these workouts only take 10 minutes, what if I kept the streak going and trained my abs every day for 60 days or 90 days, or maybe train my lower abs for 30 days after this? What kind of transformation could I have? Let me know if you'd like to see me attempt these challenges.
Guys, we did it. We have endured 30 days of training weighted abs, and I am here for the grand reveal. Here we go. And there you have it. So, looking down, I couldn't see a 6-pack 30 days ago. I see the ab definition now, and I am very excited about that because I'm probably still like 13, 14% body fat. So your abs, or at least the fat covering your abs, is lost in the kitchen, but you can definitely build your 6-pack muscle with weighted abs.
Let me see your abs, babe. Damn!
So there you have it, fine folks of the internet. 30 days of weighted abs training, and the results speak for themselves. It's not just about the abs though, it's about the journey, the dedication, and of course the perseverance.
Round 2 of the white punch test. Come on, give me your best shot.
Who's superhuman now?